Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei Watch D2 and Huawei Watch D. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two watches come with an IP68 rating. Display features. Huawei Watch D2 comes with 1.82 inches AMOLED display, and the Huawei Watch D comes with 1.64 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Huawei Watch D2 comes with up to 6 days of battery life, and Huawei Watch D comes with up to 7 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.